Hey everyone, Scott Cunningham, aka Scottsy Business. Today I want to talk to you guys about what's happening in the market, what's happening in the stock market, what's happening in the crypto market. Obviously, my audience is much more crypto focused, but and obviously this is a result or a symptom of the virus going around, which I will not name for algorithm's sake. Point being, though, a lot of people are scared. They're taking out their money. They're panic buying. They're panic selling. The most important thing to remember during this time is that this is when money is made. Okay. Obviously you want to have, money aside for buying essentials. You want to have those essentials, and you want to have, a good backup, a good safety net. But this is where the money is made in crypto, in the stock market. Regardless of which one you decide to invest in, they're both so down that this is the time to invest. Again, this isn't financial advice though, but it's pretty obvious that if you're able to buy something extremely cheap, why wouldn't you? If you look at previous recoveries, they always, like for the stock market, for example, every time that there's a major drop, like 25%, 30%, you can see statistically in the past that the years of recovery were green for many more years than they were in the red. So every time there's a major crash, there's always a much more substantial recovery of green and of increases rather than the original decrease that caused all the commotion. And Stephen Graham gives a very, very good analogy to this. And he says, I don't know why people are so concerned and they're like pulling out and they don't want to buy cheap. It's like if you go to the grocery store and eggs are on sale, you don't say, damn, I can't believe I bought eggs last week and now they're on sale, so I lost all that money in between the conversions of what cost last week and this week. No, instead, you say, oh, wow, eggs are on sale. Let me buy extra so that the next time I'm saving money when they're back to normal prices. And that way I've actually, made money. Obviously, in that instance, you're just saving money, but in terms of like stocks, you would then gain all of that going back to the regular price and you would make money. So this is absolutely not the time to be selling. This is the time to be buying. And I'm buying on the downtrend and on the uptrend until we get closer back to where we were before. Because again, you can't find the bottom. You don't know where the bottom is going to be. All you can do is buy around the bottom. So buy on the way down. And then once it starts going up, buy again. But, obviously slow it back down once it comes back to where it was before all this happened. Because you're trying to make money on the losses and then ride that back up to where it was originally. And then you have way more stock and way more wealth. For me as a dividend stock investor, this is like the dream when it's very, very cheap, because I'm not worried. I mean, even as a growth, any investor should be really, really excited right now if you have money aside. I don't have a lot of money because a lot of my money is already invested. I have loans and things to pay. I don't have a ton of money to begin with, but regardless, this is so good of an opportunity that I took a bunch of my excess, extra liquid funds, and I put it into the stock market. And I put a bit into crypto too. Regardless of which one you decide to invest in, you're going to make insane gains if everything goes back to normal. Plus, the added advantage in crypto is that the Bitcoin halving is coming up as well. So not only will you get that money back from everything returning back to normal once everything, kind of blows over. I'll also say this may not be the bottom. It barely has touched the United States. It could still go down way more, which I will take out more money and I will invest more. Because you could never guess the bottom. So if you invest now, it could still go down another 25%. But once it goes back up to the original value, you made a crazy amount of money. It still might go down more. It might go up more. All you can do is take advantage of the gains that you will get the best that you can. So, again, this is not financial advice, but if there was a time to invest, in like now or in the next little bit is probably one of your best times to invest. Because again, you can't know where the bottom is going to be. All you can do is invest around it. So that's all I have to say for today. I had to get my thoughts in there with everyone else commenting on what's going on. And obviously this is a big deal. I've been watching it very closely, putting in money where I think is a viable place to do so. I missed yesterday. So like I just put the money in yesterday and then I was able to use it today. But if I'd put it in 2 days ago, I would have crazy more gains because the market recovered like 10% for most of my stocks and crypto. So yeah, if I had put in like just a little earlier, I would have made way more. And again, it might go down even more. So we don't know, but you should definitely try to take advantage of these opportunities if you have the funds available to do so. Let me know what you guys think about this though. Are you investing? Are you going to take advantage of this? Alternatively, are you afraid? Are you panic selling? Are you just hoarding all your money? Are you just taking it all out from the bank and putting it in your safe? What are you guys doing to deal with this? Also, this isn't to take advantage of the coronavirus. Some of the best investors in the world always say buy when, things are bad. Warren Buffett said buy when the streets are running with blood, I believe is the famous quote from him. So again, stay safe, obviously, protect yourself, do all the things that you need to do for the coronavirus. But if you've got that excess money, definitely consider investing right now or in the next little bit, because this is the time to make money. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'm Scott Cunningham, aka Scottsy Business. If you did watch to the very end, by the way, make sure to comment #1ham. Anyways, you are amazing. Have an amazing day. I'm signing off. Cheers.